Alright turds, listen up. Today I'm going to show you how to sight in your rifle with 2 shots. Yes, I said in 2 shots. Quit wasting your time and ammo and pay attention. You're just going to need a few things in order to do this. 2 bullets, ruler or measuring tape. And lastly is you're gonna need some sort of a brain between those 2 ears of yours. Doesn't have to be a great one, any brain should do. Now that you have those, we're gonna go to the drawing board. You're gonna take that new scope, that new red dot sight, those new adjustable iron sights you got, whatever they may be, take 1 shot